Hi everyone, welcome to Teju's Healthy Eats. If you want an easy, high protein lunch that you can make once and enjoy all week, these sweet potato tofu taco bowls are it. Each bowl packs around 48 grams of protein, tons of flavor, and really balanced macros, perfect for busy days. A few weeks back, when our calendar was packed with work, school activities, holiday plans, trips, and decorating, these bowls were honestly a lifesaver. We prepped everything in one go, stored it fresh for 3 to 4 days, and had stress free, wholesome lunches ready whenever we needed them. So let's get started. I'm meal prepping 2 lunch bowls, so I'm using 3 small sweet potatoes, which works out to 1 medium sweet potato per serving. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop the sweet potatoes into bite-sized pieces and add them to a bowl. Drizzle a little olive oil, then season with garlic, salt, and pepper. Give everything a quick toss to gently coat the seasoning. Transfer them to a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, tossing them halfway through so they cook evenly. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, let's prep the tofu. Drain the water from your extra firm tofu, slice it into cubes and transfer it to a bowl. Drizzle a little olive oil and season with garlic, oregano, cumin, salt, and pepper. Gently toss until everything is evenly coated. Spread the tofu on another parchment-lined baking tray and bake it alongside the sweet potatoes for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through for even roasting. Quick tip: I don't add paprika or chili powder at this stage because those spices can burn in the oven. Next up, the Pico de Gallo. In a bowl, add chopped onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and jalapenos if you want some heat. Toss in chopped cilantro, drizzle a little olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and finish with the juice of half a lime. Mix everything together and your fresh pico is ready. For the dressing, combine non-fat Greek yogurt, the juice of half a lime, Cholula Chipotle hot sauce, chopped cilantro, and salt. Give it a good mix. If it's too thick, just add a splash of water to smooth it out. This dressing is super creamy, high in protein, and honestly ties the whole bowl together. Once everything is fully baked, sprinkle paprika over the sweet potatoes and toss to coat. For the tofu, add smoked paprika and chipotle chili powder, then gently toss again. This keeps the flavors bold without any bitterness. Now we have perfectly roasted sweet potatoes and tofu, crispy, flavorful, and ready to build. Now let's assemble. From the quantities I made here, we get 2 wholesome lunch bowls. Each one has a full serving of tofu, 1 medium sweet potato, about a quarter cup of Pico de Gallo, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of the yogurt dressing. And you can definitely be generous here since it's non-fat Greek yogurt. For meal prep, I pack the Pico de Gallo and dressing separately. This keeps moisture away from the tofu and sweet potatoes and helps everything stay fresh for days. At lunch, just add the pico, drizzle the dressing, and enjoy. Each bowl comes in at roughly 518 calories with approximately 48 grams of protein, about 23 grams of net carbs, and around 20 grams of fat. That's a super balanced, filling meal that keeps you energized without feeling heavy. If you give these sweet potato tofu bowls a try, let me know how you customize them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves high protein meal prep. I'll see you in the next one.